Imagine a way for you to burn unwanted fat, allowing you to fit into those favorite clothes you've been longing to wear, all while getting a deep, restful night's sleep. With our latest biohacking solution, you can experience better mental focus, improved sleep patterns, rejuvenating relaxation, all while gaining healthy, lean muscle, a more powerful metabolism, and healthier weight as you burn calories while you sleep. VeloVita, an innovator in the biohacking arena, is excited to bring you Zlēm, our sleep-enhancing, fat-torching product that delivers more restful nights and brighter, lighter, and more exciting mornings. With our proprietary formula that includes some of the latest advancements in weight management, you'll discover improved mental focus, balance, health renewal, reduced anxiety, and many other benefits as you rejuvenate your body and mind during your rest. Zlēm is a first-of-its-kind two-stage multi-function product. Stage 1, along with all the other amazing benefits, provides a deep detox over 7 days, allowing your system to better utilize all the goodness of our exclusive formula. You'll immediately feel lighter, healthier, and know that you're on the way to a new, better you. Stage 2 builds on Stage 1's foundation, but delivers even more benefits. Each serving in both stages include a unique scientific advancement that delivers what's known as exercise factors to your body while you sleep. These exercise factors actually provide the benefits of rigorous exercise, reducing fat mass and conversion of your bad fat to good. Yes, there is actually good fat, known as BAT, and many scientists believe it's the key to a lifetime of healthy weight and anti-aging, and every serving of Zlēm contains this amazing ingredient. Believe in the reality of changing your life to a state of, well, amazing. More energy, mental focus, improved sleep, healthy weight that makes each day happier and more productive. To find out more, please visit our website, or better yet, ask the person that shared this with you how you can have better nights and brighter mornings. Get your Zlēm and change your life for the better today.